If you are having trouble with your Messenger floating video call not working in your Android device, today's video, let's learn how you can fix it. So for that, you have to launch your Messenger application. Once done, get logged into your account. Now here you have to enable a settings that's called Chat Head. For that, tap onto menu button. You will see a page like this. Tap on the gear icon of settings. And here also you have to scroll below. Under chat heads, make sure this is blue and this is toggled on. Then tap on notifications and sound. Make sure this is also toggled on, which will allow all the notifications related with your Messenger. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then make sure that you are using the latest version of Messenger. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Messenger. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now for the last thing, if it's still not working, then you have to uninstall Messenger and then reinstall again. Get logged into your account. This shall work.